Well, well, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Only those who truly understand what's coming will seize the opportunity. I am Mr. If, and I'm here to inform you about a major event that begins on November 9th, 2024. blove dapp has announced their token generation event for BLD tokens. This is the first time for BLD token to be publicly available. It's a moment we've all been waiting for, where this project finally takes form. But that's not all. blove dapp will go live with initial DEX offering right after the blove dapp token generation event on November 11th. This is your chance to get your hands on BLD tokens before it's too late. Mark my words, blove dapp's initial DEX offering will be a stormy event, and only the first comers will enjoy the most favorable gains. Once it goes live, no one will be able to stop it from skyrocketing. So, are you in? Mark your calendars. The big game starts from 9th November.